Are you struggling to manage your money during this crisis? Do you want to know how to manage your money better so you can save more money to buy the things you really need and want? If so, continue to watch until the end to learn our 3 easy budgeting rules to help you manage your money better. Hello, thanks for tuning in. I'm Sam Fortes, founder of Success Booster Academy and author of Success Booster. If you're struggling to manage your money or if you're always running out of money, then this video will teach you how to change your financial life forever. I'm going to share with you 3 easy budgeting rules to help you manage your money better during this crisis. My mission is to help you create wealth and achieve more success, happiness, and fulfillment. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and ring the notification bell below this video so you don't miss out our next video. So why is it more important than ever to learn how to manage your money better? That's a great question. The reason that is important is because by taking time to manage your money better can really pay off over the time. According to the Money Advice Service, which is a charity that helps people improve their financial skills, by managing your money better, you will stay on top of your bills and also help you save £1,000 each year. What would you do with an extra £1,000 a year? Well, maybe you could use it to pay off your debts, or you can use it toward your pension or your retirement, or even maybe you can use it to book a holiday with your loved ones. It's up to you how you decide to spend this money. However, I will recommend you to spend it wisely. Now, let's talk about the 3 easy budgeting rules. After learning about these easy budgeting rules, you will definitely learn how to manage your money better. As the name suggests, these 3 easy budgeting rules is about understanding where your money goes every single month. If you understand this, you will finally learn how to spend your hard-earned money wisely instead of spending your money on liabilities or things that you don't really need or want. You probably heard about the 50, 30, 20 budgeting rules. This budgeting rule is about allocating your income in 3 different categories. In category number 1 is called the needs expenses. The category number 2 is called the wants expenses. And category number 3 is called savings or paying off debts. So how do you manage your money better using the 50, 30, 20 budgeting rules? Rule number 1 to help you manage your money better is to create the needs category. So what is a need category? Or if you like, what is a need expense? A need expense is something you can't live without or something that is essential to your survival. This means that we must always spend on necessities. Necessities should always come first. Some examples of needs expenses are things such as food, shelter, and other things like that. Some other examples of need expenses are things such as housing bills, such as mortgage or rent, council tax, transport bills such as a bus, train, or if you have your own car, you have to fill it with petrol and maintenance, health insurance, utility bills, electricity, and so on. By following the 50, 30, 20 budgeting rules, you need to allocate 50% of your income in this needs category. If, for example, your income is £2,000 a month, this means that you need to allocate £1,000 in this needs category to pay your needs expenses. So £1,000 is how much you have to save in this needs category to buy foods, to pay bills such as rent, mortgage, council tax, have insurance, transport, for example, bus, or if you have a car, you have to pay maintenance, petrol, and etc. Are you enjoying this video so far? If so, hit that like button below. Then consider subscribing to our channel. We promise to share with you the best tips and advice to help you make more money, achieve more success, happiness, and fulfillment. even in times of crisis. Rule number 2 to help you manage your money better is to create a wants category or wants expense. As the name suggests, a wants expense is something you desire, but you can't live without it. It's something that can improve the quality of your life greatly, but it's not something that is a necessity or something that is important for our survival. For example, shopping for clothes, shoes, dining out, spending money on hobbies, learning a new skill, going on holiday, all of these are examples of wants expense. Unfortunately, most of us spend more than we earn. No wonder we are always struggling with money and other financial problems. So we need to understand that this type of expense make us poor or poorer. That's why we must save money to buy these things instead of just spending money without having any idea where our money goes every single month. But how much do we have to save in this wants category? That's a good question. We must save maximum 30% of our income in this wants category, or if you like, wants expense. If you do this, then you will definitely start having more money and more control over your money. If, for example, your monthly income is £2,000 and you want to allocate 30% of your income in this wants category, then let's do the math. 30% of £2,000, which is your income, equals 0.3 times £2,000, which is £600. So we need to save £600 a month in this wants category. Now, rule number 3 to help you manage your money better is to create a savings or pay off debts category. Why is this important? Well, if you're always struggling with money worries, or if you're always running out of money, or you're always in debt, the savings or paying off debt category will definitely help you start saving or pay off your debts faster. As the name suggests, you can use this category to save or to pay off your debts faster. Basically, you are going to allocate 20% of your income in this category. So if your income is £2,000 a month, 20% of £2,000 equals 0.2 times £2,000, which is £400 a month. So £400 a month is how much money you need to save in this category. But you might be asking me, Sam, what do I specifically save money in this category? How? What do I do? That's a great question. Most people, when they run out of money, the solution is to borrow money, and then they have to pay high interest every single month. But what if you have spare money in an emergency fund? This means that if you save money for an emergency, you don't have to borrow money or struggle with high interest debts every single month. That's why I would recommend you to create a rainy day fund, or if you like, an emergency fund. So every single person I know or I read about, make sure to save at least 6 months worth of saving in this account. However, I would recommend you to save between 6 to 12 months worth of saving in these accounts in case you lose your job or something happened to you and your loved ones. Let's say your income is £2,000 a month, and as you have to save 20% of your income, then you need to save £400 a month, right? Remember, 20% of £2,000 is 0.2 times 2,000, which is 400. So you need to save £2,400 to 4,800 in this saving or payoff debts category. Remember, this saving can only be used for emergencies, such as things that happen out of the blue, or maybe you or your loved one lose your job, or maybe your children are sick, is an emergency. Otherwise, you are not allowed to use this money. But of course, you can use this money to consolidate your debts or anything that is causing you a lot of emotional pain and stress. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please support our channel by subscribing if you haven't done yet. Then ring the notification bell below this video to be notified when we upload new videos. Don't miss out. Which step are you going to start doing right now? Are you going to start allocating 50% of your income in the needs category? Or are you going to start allocating maximum 30% of your income in the wants category? Either way, let us know by leaving a comment below. Like and share this video only with 3 people you know need to learn more about budgeting and money management. Do you want to know how to get out of that faster in 2020? Then click on the video coming on your screen. Let's talk about the 3 easy budgeting rules. Oh, hello, who is speaking? I will recommend you to spend it wise.
Lee.
Oh no, Ronnie. Is 0.2 times 2000, which is 400. Oh no.